So welcome students. In this question, given that this circle x square plus y square is equal to 4x plus 8y minus 5 intersects this line 3x minus 4y is equal to m at two distinct points. If that is so, where should m lie? So there are many ways to solve this problem. So one of the ways, you can find the point of intersection of these two curves, and there should be only one point. There should be 2 points of intersection. If the circle cuts the line at two distinct points, there should be 2 distinct point of intersections. That is, let me find the point of intersections of these two curves. So for the point of intersection, we know that 3x is equal to m plus 4y. So x square is m plus 4y by 3 whole square plus y square is equal to 4x. That is 4 times m plus 4y by 3 plus 8y plus 5. So I have taken x and I have substituted it in the circle. So now you have a quadratic in y. So if you expand this, you get a quadratic in y. For this to have two distinct solutions, the delta of this quadratic after converting it to standard form has to be greater than 0. That will be the condition solving by which you get the interval of m. So this is one way. The second way is, if this line has to cut this circle at two distinct points, the perpendicular distance between this line and the center of this circle has to be less than radius. So if you take this circle, the center is 2, 4, right? Minus 4x minus 8y. So the center is 2, 4. And the radius of the circle is root of 4 plus 16 plus 5. That is equal to 5 units. So the circle has the properties of the center being 2, 4 and the radius is equal to 5. So if this line has to cut this circle at two distinct points, that is, if you have a circle and if a line has to cut this circle at two distinct points, the perpendicular distance from the center onto this line should be less than radius. It is 2, 4 to this. So mod of 6 minus 16 minus m by root of 3 square plus 4 square is by 5 should be less than 5. So if you solve this equation also, you can get the interval of m. So you can very clearly see that this is the easier way than this. So let us do this. So minus m minus 10. That is, if I take mod, it doesn't matter. 10 plus m is less than, mod of 10 plus m is less than 25. This implies 10 plus m has to lie between minus 25 and plus 25. So if I bring 10 onto this side, minus 35 less than m less than 15. That means for this line to cut the circle at two distinct points, m has to lie between minus 35 and 15. So that's the answer to this question. So even if you go by this method, you get the same answer. So you solve the quadratic and the roots of the quadratic has to be distinct, hence the delta has to be greater than 0. So you need to solve this inequality to get the same interval. Thank you.